Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Doran's Messy Garage. Um, it's a snow day. It's Wednesday, January 19th, and I got my coffee. Let's do this. All right, we're talking math. We're talking um, combining like terms. Let me get my handy dandy webcam. Bloop, there we go. Might be a little too bright for this. I can adjust that. I might need to turn this light off. Okay, you can still see that fine, right? All right, excellent. What do I do with them? Oh, I find my markers too. Yeah, be prepared, Doran. Okay. On this page, you see us talking about perimeters. We're not really dealing with geometry here. This is just one way to apply combining like terms. One place where you might see it in the future. Okay. For figure A, it says the perimeter is 3x plus 2 plus 3x plus x plus 2. Okay. They get it by looking right over here at A. You have 3x, x plus 2, 3x, x plus 2. For perimeter, we add up all four sides and we combine the totals. So side 1 was 3x, side 2 was x plus 2. I should probably get markers that right. Then 3x, and then x plus 2. When we do that, we combine our x's. 3x plus x, skip that one, plus 3x plus x. 3 plus 3 is, somebody say it. Thank you, Aubrey. 6 plus 1 makes 7, plus 1 more makes 8. 8x plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8x plus 4. That's where they get that from. Okay, let me swap out for a different color that might have a little more ink to it. Let's see. Now it wants to look at B. B is right here. I got a triangle. Shoop, shoop, shoop. I got x plus 6, x plus 6, x plus 1. All right, my perimeter is x plus 6 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 1. All right, because x plus 6, that's one side, plus x plus 6, that's another side, plus x plus 1, that's our base. Okay, now we combine our like terms. What can we add? We're going to x plus x plus x. Yeah. So x plus x plus x is how many x's? 3 x's. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you for staying awake. I appreciate that. All right. Equals 3x. Oh, wait. I don't know if that's going to be a plus or a minus. Well, here's a hint. They're all adding, so it's going to be plus. All right. Chloe, this is on you. Okay. So we have plus 6, plus 6, plus 1. All right. Remember, Chloe, we're listening for you. 6 plus 6. Yes, very good. 12. Excellent. You guys heard that? I heard that. Aha. All right. Then 12, which is these two, plus one more makes 13. Thank you. Excellent job. 3x plus 13. That's our perimeter around our triangle. Do we know what x stands for? No. Right now we don't. But with a little more information, we could figure it all out. But that's not what we're doing today, is it? No, we're just combining our like terms and getting a more concise representation of the perimeter. Letter C, we have a square, and squares have all four sides the same length, right? 5a plus 5a plus 5a plus 5a. Well, let's write it down. This one's on you, Riley. 5a plus 5a. I don't have the Wheel of Doom going, sorry. Plus 5a, we'll make that a, plus 5a. Okay. So do we have any numbers that aren't attached to an A? No, we don't. So we're just combining our A terms. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If we count by fives 4 times, what do we get? 5, 10, 15, ta-ta-ta. Thank you. 20. 20A. That's it. P equals 20A. Okay. I'm going to skip on down to I and J are both really ugly problems. I'll do those with you and let you guys get the rest of these, okay? That second page, I'll do one of those with you. All right, just one. The rest you guys have to do on your own, okay? I know you can do this. You got this. Let me block that really bright light right behind me. I'm going the wrong way to do that. There we go. Yep, still not right. There we go. That's better. Okay. So I was going to do I and J. Here's I. We have, all right, we've got to start with P equals, right? Because we're talking about perimeter. P, it's a P, not a D. P equals A plus B plus C plus D. I guess that's what we have, right? That's what we can use. A plus B plus C plus D. Well, do we have any like terms in that problem? No. No, they're all, as you can see, they're all different sides. They're all different sizes. That's just an ugly problem to work out. But guess what? It's already solved. Perimeter is, because there are no like terms, we can't combine anything. A plus B plus C plus D. Those are our like terms. I know, that's weird. All right, but J looked really funky, right? It's got x squareds and x's and regular numbers with nothing attached to them, and it's just all kinds of goofy. So let's, before we panic, right, Taylor? Not going to panic. We're just going to write it all down, and then we're going to combine our like terms. All right, our first side is x plus 2 plus 5x plus 4. Did I say x plus 2? X to the second power, x squared. Man, who's the teacher up in this joint? Whew. He needs some help. All right, perimeter equals our first side. X squared plus 5x plus 4. X squared plus 5x plus 4. But I'm going to add my second side to it. X squared. Then I'm going to add my third side to it. 2x squared minus 3x plus 6. So I've got 2x squared minus 3x plus 6. That's a lot to write. Oh, if you guys are wondering how to write those x squareds, how to type those out in your answer block. Just for the sake of what we're doing right now, just write it like x2. Just type the letter X and the number 2 right behind it. I'll figure out a way to make that work later. But right now for today, it'll be fine. I'll know what you're talking about. All right, let me see what other colors I have to work with. Okay, so we'll make our x squareds be red. I'm going to circle them. X squared plus x squared plus 2x squared. Okay. I'm going to put a box around my regular x's. Plus 5x minus 3x. And I'm going to underline my regular numbers. That one's falling apart. Like the whole marker's like rotting. Wow. These are old markers, but shoo-wee. Okay. Our circled numbers in red. We have 1x squared plus 1x squared. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Yeah. Plus 2x squared. So what's 2 plus 2? 4. Yeah, very good. So we have 4x squared. Now we have plus 5x minus 3x. What's 5 take away 3? 2. Awesome. I heard you on that, Seth. You didn't think I did, but I heard you. All right, so it's a positive 2, right? So we're going to go plus 2x. Then we have plus 4 plus 6. What's 6 plus 4? Start with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom. Shakalaka. That is it. We got this. All right. Now you guys get the rest of those. Okay, I know you can handle it. I know you can handle it. Don't try to kid me. Don't fib to me. I know you got this. You know what's really crazy is that pen in the shot there looks super orange, but I'm telling you, it is absolutely red. My colors are definitely off on this. It's like bright cherry red. Anyway, not that that matters at all. Okay. Draw the figure described in each problem. If you want to draw this on a separate sheet of paper, I'm totally cool with it. Okay? If you want to try to draw it with your trackpad or your mouse, I'm good with that too. Okay? But I do want to see a representation one way or another. You can turn in a paper that's got your drawings and your work on it. A-okay. Or you can doodle it out right up here in these little boxes. Okay? Whatever makes you happy, makes me happy. I just want to see the work. All right, so they give the example here. Draw the figure and then choose a variable for one side, write an expression for each side. A triangle with two sides, each 5 centimeters longer than the third side. All right, so they drew a triangle. Two sides are 5 centimeters longer than the third side. So what they did was they made that third side just be x. And since these two sides are 5 centimeters longer, I mean x plus 5 and x plus 5. That makes sense, right? And then they did perimeter is x plus 5 plus x plus 5. 1, 2, 3. They combine their like terms to get 3x plus 10. Boom. We get that, right? Yeah, that's what we just did on the previous page. 100%. And I've got a rectangular dog pen, which is 5 times as long as it is wide. Okay. So if I made this side beside S, then this side right here would be 5 times as long, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be 5S. So if we have S on this side, 5S up here, another S on this side, right? Because these sides are going to be the same and these sides are going to be the same. Okay. So plus S plus 5S. I'm not going to solve that one for you. You solve that one. They take the same dog pen after they enlarge it by adding 3 feet to the length. Wait a minute. It doesn't say how long each S is, does it? This is the tricky one. Okay, here's my box. It doesn't look very pretty, but it's a box. This side is still the same, right? Still side. And this, we had the 5 times the length, right? But then they added 3 more feet to it. Can they do that? If they have the right building permits, yes. But that's all we have to do to change it. But remember that this side is still the same as this side. Now when we add this up, we get S plus 5S plus 3 plus S plus 5S plus 3. Okay. When we go through, we just count up our S's, right? S, 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 S. So we have 5 plus 5 gives us 10S. Yes, very good. Plus 1 more is 11. Plus 1 more is 12. So our perimeter equals 12S, but we have to add the 3 feet to the top and bottom sides, right? Plus 3 plus 3. And 3 plus 3 is, yes, Aubrey, I heard you the first 3 times you said it. 6. Okay, 12S plus 6. Yes, that is our final answer. Boom! So we have to have a helicopter pad that's square. That means all 4 sides are the same length. Okay? You can refer back to the other page for example of that. A rectangular rug with a width that is 7 feet shorter than its length. Draw that. You can put whatever dimensions you want on that. Okay? 7 feet shorter than its length. So we could say, I don't like to use L because it looks like a 1. We'll call it R for R for rug. Okay? That side's going to be the same as this one. That's the length of the rug. And it's 7 feet shorter. So is that going to be R? What if it's 7 feet shorter? Very good. -7. Ha ha ha. Or you could make these +7 instead and leave that the regular length. But either way you want to do it. Another rug that's twice as long as it is wide. I'll let you figure out the dimensions you want. Okay? You do it your way, fill it in, turn it in, let me know. All right. I'm outie. Get your work done. Bye.